Hey, Brian here. Glad you're riding along. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Scary West Virginia, Putnam County. And yeah, that's the actual name, not something somebody made up for a Halloween promotion. Scary Creek runs right through here, and the creek named the community. The way it almost always works out here, the land gets tagged by whatever happened on it first, and the name just stays. I've driven past this on the Manifest Edge before. Putnam County, sitting just west of where my old spark routes really had their teeth, and I always meant to come through slower. There's something that happens when you stop watching the clock and you start actually seeing the road instead of calculating it. I don't know who first said scary and meant it about this creek, but I keep thinking they weren't wrong, and they weren't trying to sell anybody anything either. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.